Okay, we're checking out the 2019 Volkswagen Arteon. This is the direct replacement of the CC. Now, since this is the flagship automobile for the brand, it definitely has a striking look and definitely will catch your attention. You're going to get a lot of stares on the road while driving this vehicle. Now, this is the SEL package with the R line. So this is near the top when it comes to the pecking order of the automobile. So you can start off with 18-inch alloys, and this one happens to have 20-inch. I really like the turn plate design. It's very striking, and it really adds to the look of the car. So this is a liftback, so it's not a traditional sedan. So you're going to see how cool that comes into play down the road. I'll show you that in a moment. So the side profile and the detailing is excellent. It really stands out in this tornado red. And I just love how the chrome accents really accentuate the LED headlamps on this vehicle. Let's go ahead and look at the side of the car and also the rear. So this goes up against the Kia Stinger and also the A5 Sportback from Audi. So you gotta really have some tough competition, but this car definitely compete with those two automobiles. Now this is the European chassis that we don't really get over the States, so that's what really separates this car from the rest of the lineup that Volkswagen has. So it's a lot more premium, and the attention to detail and the quality of the interior is going to really be a much higher level. Let's check out the rear space. Now this wheelbase is a lot longer than the CC it replaces, so you're going to see you got a lot more leg room, and you have plenty of headroom, even though you got a sweeping roof line here. So it's excellent. So it's an apple leather on this model, Titan black, and then all the materials throughout the interior are nice and solid, and everything's put together really nicely. Let's check out the front of the vehicle. Once again, all the high quality materials that you would suspect at a flagship. Now the only thing I would probably want to see in this is the steering wheel be a little bit different. This is shared with a lot of the other cars in the lineup, but I think it just doesn't fit the profile and the sporty demeanor this car actually has. But I do love the bolstering and the design of the seats, and the leather is really high quality. And Volkswagen has its own virtual cockpit display, very reminiscent of the Audi. And you also have your other infotainment abilities here. You got dual climate control, heated seats, cooled seats. It's a really nice design, very smooth, very modern at the same time. But that steering wheel definitely does not fit, in my opinion. Maybe like the GTIs, the Golf R's steering wheel would have made a better impression. But overall, everything else is excellent. Got a really nice sporty headliner to go around with the rest of the interior, and a pretty big sunroof to work with that as well. Let's go ahead and open up the lift back. Okay, and I also like the aluminum pedals down here. That's a nice sporty touch. You got automatic headlights. Everything's LED, so it's all definitely in the times. Let's go on ahead. And the neat thing is, here's your release for your lift back, and also your rear view cameras in the back as well. So checking out the rear space, you're going to see it's a 40-20-40 split. That's a nice touch there. You got plenty of cargo space. It's nice and deep, and all the opening's pretty wide as well. And you have a nice privacy shade here, so that's really cool. You got the rear defroster as well as the front defrost. Now you can also spec a pretty high-end DIN audio system. I believe it's about 700 watts, and it's supposed to sound fantastic. I really like the frameless windows. It's a really nice coupe-like design. And I like the white stitch and the kind of contrast to black leather. So I think Volkswagen definitely has a pretty sweet automobile, and hopefully they do a lot of advertising and get the word out that they have this really sweet flagship automobile on the road. So it's definitely, if you're in the market for a car in this caliber, I'd definitely take a look at it before you're making decisions, and you'll probably be pretty impressed by what you see here. So this was a quick look at the Arteon, and we'll have more videos coming soon. So please share, like, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. And we'll be back in the future very soon. So have a great day, and we'll catch you guys later. Have a great day.